They weren't part of the plan, but they made the moment.
Она сама испугалась. Вон, смотри.
Proof that goat is also a clingy dog.
Hey, babies! Come on, Hanky! Can you do that? That's good. So, are you helping Daddy to get fit?
Honestly,
Okay.
Because she wants me to get the whole of it. Come on out, Grace. You've been in there for a while. It's time to get out. Come on.
small dogs always have the most.
Charlie, is this your laptop?
Don't forget to hit that like button.
Looks like he's been designated as the family's official teething toy.
This giant millipede has one of the coolest defense tricks in nature. Bunnies can be surprisingly determined.
If these German Shepherd puppies made you smile, be sure to like and subscribe for more adorable moments. Until next time.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
What'd you get into? Huh?
That's the face of someone avoiding the question entirely. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, God.
For these guys, too much snow isn't a problem. It's an adventure.
You're okay.